Spicy miso pork and cabbage is a stir-fried and lightly braised dish featuring tender pork and cabbage coated in a savory miso-based spicy sauce. It's one of the most popular Chinese-inspired dishes in Japan. Full recipe is on JapaneseCooking101.com. We are using thinly sliced pork. Cut the pork into large bite-sized pieces, transfer to a small bowl, sprinkle with salt, sake, and potato or cornstarch, and mix well. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Cut the cabbage into 2-inch squares and slice the green onion into 2-inch length. Then we are going to mince the fresh garlic and ginger. In a medium bowl, mix all the sauce ingredients: miso paste, soy sauce, sake, sugar, sesame oil, water, and chili paste, and set aside. Heat oil in a wok over medium heat with minced ginger and garlic, and add the meat, and stir fry until lightly browned. Add the cabbage, and cook for a couple of minutes. Add the green onions, pour in the sauce, and cook for another couple of minutes. Serve immediately with steamed rice. Spicy miso pork and cabbage is a flavorful, quick and easy dish that comes together in no time. Hope you give this a try soon.
美味しい。美味しいね。